Hi, I'm Brendan with MORryde. Today I'm going to be taking you through an installation of our new motion activated step lights, which are going to help illuminate your RV steps as you're going in and out of the RV. Before getting started on the installation, let's go over what's all included in the kit. The kit includes 2 lights, so you get 2 of the motion activated step lights, 2 aluminum brackets to attach the lights to the step, a pack of 4 hardware screws, 2 magnets with an adhesive backer, as well as 2 additional adhesive strips that are used for a secondary install method. The lights themselves are battery activated. They require 4 AAA batteries, however, those are not included with the kit. They install right there on the side. They also have 10 LED lights, so they're very bright as they light up. There's the motion sensor in the center. And then on the side of the lights, there's a toggle switch with 3 different settings. The center setting is off, so during the daytime, you don't really need the lights. You can turn that off to conserve battery. You can also turn it on to continuous operation. And then you can switch it down to where it's just motion activated sensor. And so when it senses motion, typically it's going to be when you're about 5 feet away from the step on your way into the RV, or as you start to step out of the RV. It's going to sense that motion and turn on for 20 seconds at a time, and then automatically shut off. The battery life on these for continuous operation is going to be up to 48 hours. As the battery life gets lower, the lights will start to dim, so that's going to be a good indicator that they need to be replaced. But if you're using the motion activated sensor where it's only lighting up for 20 seconds at a time as you need it, that's going to really conserve the battery life and prolong it. You can usually get several weeks of regular use before you need to replace the batteries that way. All right, so now we're going to take you through the installation process. The only tool that may be required is just the Phillips head screwdriver, but you're going to start out taking your aluminum bracket and set it along this extrusion underneath the step tread. This can be placed anywhere along the tread that you want. Most customers are going to want it centered right on the step. So if you send that right up on there, and then this flat piece of the bracket should be facing through the step opening. Next, you're going to take 2 screws, set them in there. Take your screwdriver and just thread them in. Now, some step models have a grab handle that looks just like this here. If you want to, you can remove that, or you can off-center it so you can include the step lights. As I mentioned before, the step light includes 2 lights. That's usually bright enough that even on a 4-step, if you have it placed on the top step and the bottom step, it's going to illuminate all the steps for you, but you can buy additional kits if you want to include them on every step tread. Once the bracket's installed, you're just going to take your motion activated light and the magnetic backer and then just peel off the tape on the back, and then you're going to stick that right onto the bracket. The nice thing about having this with the magnetic backer is that it's going to be quickly and easily removed. If you ever need to change out the batteries on there, or if you need a quick flashlight, you can just reach under the step, click the on setting, you have a nice bright flashlight. And then they attach just like that. Now, if you don't have a MORryde step with this extrusion, or if you have a different brand step altogether, you can still install our motion activated step lights. What you're going to do is take the additional heavy duty adhesive strips that we provide in the kit, attach them to the underneath side of this bracket, and then just glue it right to the bottom of the step.